Yeah. Just say hi to Desi.
Okay.
Yeah, because she wants to see us too. No, just it's on already. So let's just go.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's not like a picture or anything.
Hi, Desi. Hi, Desi. Hi, Desi. Hi, Desi. I'm Stephanie. Hello.
Yeah.
We wish you could be here. Yeah, you should be. And you can dance. And we'll sing to you. Oh, let me think of a song. Hold on. Okay, I can't think of anything right now, but when I do, I will film it and send it to you.
We're going through the back.
Baby, I love you. I'm just gonna harmonize for you. Just for you, Desi Lou. Oh, your camera's so cute.
Oh, thank you. It's really old.
Hey, at least you have 7.2 megapixels. I only have 6. I was like 12. It's already at 12. It's gonna be like 164 megapixels. You're gonna be like, you could step inside of the picture.
It's like 10.2, and then Jonathan got his girlfriend one off of eBay, and it's 12 megapixels.
That's ridiculous.
I'm like, okay.
Just walk
Just
around.
walk.
Just seeing the sights.
We can take a little trip around the block.
So
there's your car.
there it is. I walked in there. Yeah.
Let's go. We should like look.
They just said hi to me.
Okay, let's look. Just say we're looking. We are looking. What's wrong with her?
They're not saying, they didn't, there's no sign that says, hey, you can't come in.
No, it's open.
We're just like walking around.
Oh my gosh. When we see the pictures on Getty Images, we know where to look.
Yeah. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. See that?
I know. Well, you know how you always see this picture?
Gonna be in there.
I wonder if they always just look like this. Oh my gosh.
So I'll talk to you later.